Do with an inflatable dog.
It's changed to it. I think it's the fucking Stag Night stunt. I think he's been told he's got to read that out.
I'm trying to get this bloody camera to zoom in and out.
To a blow up goal.
Going to an inflatable dog. What the heck?
Žemaitės ir Šatrijos pelėdos rūsty. Nestovės Pimpalas 3 metus, alaus mėnesį negersiu, neįmanoma. Ir subinės plaukai ant kelių. Šitai ataiga įgauna gali dabar, valina iki pat mano gyvenimo galo. Prisiekiu!